Hi, in this video, we are going to be looking at 3 advantages of using social media stories in growing your business. If this is the first time you meeting me, I'm Abokara Minati, and I help entrepreneurs to grow and build a successful business online. The first advantage you have in using stories in growing your business is that you are able to build your personal brand. So personal branding, stories for personal branding. Let's take that you are an entrepreneur, either a network marketer, an affiliate marketer, or you are in your own business. It's always great when there is a personality behind the business. That is why a lot of network marketers and affiliate marketers are advised to brand themselves instead of the company that they are promoting. And so if you focus or you showcase the company, where is the personality behind the company? And we all know that people join people or people buy from people because of the know, like, and trust factor. And so if there is no personality behind the business, who are people associating with? So let's just take a simple scenario in this case. Let's say you have a business with the name, let's say Aminatu Abubakar, Create Freedom with Aminatu Abubakar. And then you have, let's use any company, maybe A and B Company Limited. So with Amina in the name, it's kind of personal. You know, there is someone behind the business, unlike A and B Company or in any other network marketing company or any business you know name that you are promoting. It's vague. People don't feel connected. So if you are building your personal brand, stories are going to help you really to do that. You get to showcase your images. You get to showcase some of the things happening in your life through your stories. You also get to show how beneficial the products themselves have been to you as a person. So really with stories, you are able to build your personal brand. It's a huge advantage, and I encourage you to take a serious look at it and start doing that. The next advantage you have with stories is that as an upcoming influencer, if you look on Instagram, on Facebook, we have influencers. In every niche you find, we have people, when they talk, people listen. These people didn't get there overnight. They worked their way through. And now with the power of stories, you have the opportunity to start growing your influence, to start getting people to follow you, to like and trust you. With time, if you are able to build a huge audience, now you have the following. So when you talk, people obey, they listen, they take it. So let's look at the influencers that have over 1,000 followers, 2,000, 3,000. Now with as simple as having 1,000 following, people will wish or will come to you asking you to roll an advert with your following for them to sell their products. And influencers are making huge monies here. So if you are also upcoming, this is something you should tap in to grow your audience so that you can benefit from it in the nearest future. Most of these influencers, some don't even have any products they are promoting directly. And so they are making money off the people that are bringing adverts or whatever it is to them to run through their news feed or stories for their followings. The third is announcements and sales. Stories either on Facebook, on Instagram, on Snapchat, wherever you find them, it's so easy for you to just upload an image of an announcement. Let's say you have a training coming up, you have a workshop coming up, you have a new product that has been launched by your company. You can easily upload images of this, or you can just shoot a short video to make an announcement, and people will watch and join. So it's very powerful when it comes to announcements, as well as you making very, very simple sales. Just that I encourage people to make it not more of marketing because you lose a lot of people through that. Make it fun, make it catchy because it's trendy and people are jumping onto them. Personally, when I check my stories daily, people view my stories more than they even take a look at my personal news feed. So if you want to grow your influence, you want to make more sales, you want to also grow your personal brand, then stories are really advantageous for you to use. These are the three very important advantages you can derive from using stories. So if you are yet to start, I encourage you to start using stories. If you're already doing it, then keep the good work up and even look for better ways you can improve on what it is that you are doing. If you are struggling to establish a very successful business online, feel free to click the link in the description below and book your free 30-minute coaching call with me, and I will surely take a look at where it is you are and how we can get to the next step in your business. Until then, it has really been lovely, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to click the subscribe button below so you get notified of all other powerful trainings I do release on my channel to help you grow and scale your business. Until then, it has always been fun, and it's a bye-bye for now.